I don't have problem with it because Constitution make a provision for that.
Yeah.
And Constitution, and spell be as officer, from president to the last office holder. No, there are rules and regulations that you free. So say Obi take Supreme Court judge through those processes. I mean, no problem.
Yeah.
And Osha so far I could do from Article 1461, 1466, 14610. To say Jamama meet all these constitutional requirements so far. Yen who say as our side step the constitution I can't say blame. But media make can say this thing because you're testing it and yen who says it about now I shall test no. I can identify some loopholes on my fees move for those reform.
Right.
One, I believe say the petition should not be open anyhow. Say me Salam I can just go and write a petition say Supreme Court judge because we call court one me ABCD and I mean so a judge will be evident in free. There should be a certain procedure. I was say if a pass it through to ensure say and you will be unable me hijack the scene by calling for a remover. Mind you, is one of the arms of the government. That is the judiciary and the head now also be a person present free. And the ketwa. So when any house say anybody can apply, anybody can do something. Or in court. So something against somebody in court. You yourself not doing fan call. This will pass through a lawyer. That lawyer will take you into Kai be against Sankandia. Be a for case now could say in Sankandia for parliament. Or you sue somebody, a friend lawyer, or not guiding you through. And I think say move for the better answer. Now so share in the constitution so I can say Council of State SND petition a copy to the friends the respondent, Chief Justice. She has 7 days to respond. Meaning, which every president can say, "Oh 10 days." But law no ankasa says a committee no ebia 1 month mandate, 2 months mandate to report in your. So say you suspend it or be because of your statistical app committee. Let's say a committee in 1 year to bring the reporter. The person remains suspended until say report number. And so I think say Bema will be trying to abuse the right of somebody. Imagine say in a same situation, me just make it a scenario. Let's say investigation anti-me or avoid things if you say about that my mina. Let's say still they want it out. They can still say, "Oh, I didn't quite investigate in we." Now I mean to us out say retirement time so no retirement. And I don't think that one also is going to help. And if we say yeah tested law no, some of these loopholes should be attended to. Near reform no make sure say next time you attach that mandate to the committee yeah form to investigate the woman. And thirdly, I don't think this is a fair to Ghanaians say over 30 million Ghanaians. I mean no have whether direct or indirect benefits and as influence be every the judiciary. They can say the head of judiciary no when your case you see only the petitioner, the president, the respondent, and the Council of State they also have access to those information. So you're told you're discussing and either allegations be and I say guess has been a suspect say this is what happened. I didn't say Nana and also should be looked at say some no bar we should make it public. Ghanaians for you now who are some amount for Kafan, Chief Justice Wundia, and a petitioner among for the 2 president in Muntia. Yeah, what's a unifido. Send by NCA you can also ensure say, oh, no crash or deep fountain in the field, and I say no crash or deep into the channel. But Senana make assessment on some of the petitions, you know. One of the things I mentioned a shining star petition Monokoy. The Amoka woman, a idea ya can want some data concerning the appointment, the recommendation where on some a friend say judges we officer at the almost quarter a year. So we should respond. O make a comment say, I didn't win Professor Zadiba say for me. Then I go forward and refer to the Council of State. Council of State they look at the issue, no. They make reference to certain cases PIC in 2015, which involve your friend saying the state attorney and others and another day. I'm say, Sir Asamono, and your president on Kwan Timika say, oh ye your friend say, Chief friend say, Supreme Court judges. I would say that Judicial Council can do it, the president can do it, and then friends say, Chief Justice can also make a recommendation.
Yeah.
And to appeal to President Mahama because Mahama or attended to it, I bet double jeopardy, which a law is not allowed. So
I this saying say Chief Justice ain't mean say
or recommend
say or recommend it.
That's what Professor Azar said, and that's what the Shining Star is also saying.
Really?
Say it amounts to incompetence.
How?
Say and here the mandate and
that the Chief Justice cannot recommend.
Because law na angman, she said Chief Justice.
So Onasa Oko University answer na ebia obi be professor and answer associate professor. No. The chancellor, who is also a professor, would have to give you that, isn't it?
But I don't
no, because the Chief Justice is the head of all the justices. Yes. And she has been supervising everything. So we cannot allow whoever the Chief Justice is to recommend. Say bia Misuzu say Kegu betimi I qualify. Is that what we are saying?
That's what they are saying, according to Shining Star. But I don't hear a response to say judgment whereby including a friend saying Justice Atu Ubaka say, and you know Chief Justice enter me make a recommendation. The only thing the Chief Justice enter me can say, "Wa for obejuma," but she can recommend to President.
But that is supposed to be it, isn't it?
And to hear Bonnie.
But how? Because they say be a president. Me name Supreme Court judges.
Exactly.
Enti ebeye say be me a president. Ebeye nkwada asem say. Metina asem akate Salam. Beye wo bra. Men consult to a Chief Justice awo. Yes. How's that possible?
And to Momo Omodaza, and to respond to say, Sad, no, ya can't was
Tina Kakraka. We have a band position. We Kakraka. They say, come in and me and you know what you. What's he have share?
Someone catch it on the bill. And the response is Salam way back on the 3rd of January 2025. And then Council of State can say there's no basis say to me indicting on that.
Let's okay, into professors at the now the command and Kufuado no. Na yes say Chief Justice now so say or the Ofanko for Juma. Into yem pamon incompetent. And another Kufuado share who say Mfasobi any so.
Or the mass from say Council of State no. Per 2015 judgment be a year no. HSA and you know Chief Justice intimate recommend say yen for Bijuma. And they make 3 judgments including Atuguba de Okase. Chief Justice can also recommend Judicial Council can make recommendation the President Council. I'm saying they own to me and they say appoint to be ma without consulting the Judicial Council. And even President cannot do that. But the Chief Justice here and you wrong. It also appeal to President Mahama say man and you see that as a basis because where Sana where DB a law of friend double jeopardy where you judge you on one case necessary repeat judgment on the same case. And the what you say some of the cases now I'm for the court may have a substance but you deal with it okay. But that they about this ACP Akulugu issues Akugo one of the things Akugo challenge panel say even though the wire in Nhyira is not captured in the court report, that means Boapayo say mameno kataso. I'm say oh, suddenly me mejuma register and prepare now the Abanama sign. And this omukoye na omu ento omu bibi na man ya. You can't blame me. Meanwhile, I didn't quite public knowledge. Media are report. So Kwame met me at the height. So let's wait for the investigation. Then they been a recommend on this case. So what my key response say, and maybe Auditor General report to Tiano, or make reference to foreign policy. What's important foreign policy according to what we do back ne Ukunako. I'm also suggesting the be Ukunkwa and now Bankwa. So let's wait. But they make say so far I'm convinced the process in any bad. Everything has met the law. But you move on, you ain't trying to loop so almost so you correct it. I sure say, trying to prevail.